Example 3, it says to add, and we have these three radical objects. And what you want to notice about these three radical objects is we have a square root of 3, we have a square root of 2, which does not match the square root of 3, we have a square root of 5, which does not match the square root of 2 or the square root of 3. Okay. None of those match, nothing can be done to it. So if it asks me to add them together, they're all different, the answer is what you're looking at. So there's just basically, if this is the problem in your book, just write that down and put a circle around it. There's no work to be shown because you can't do anything to it. Okay. Let me warn you that tomorrow's lesson, I think it's tomorrow, 66 is where this happens. They're going to be different tomorrow, but we're going to modify them and we'll be able to make them the same. If you recall what we learned a few lessons back, like the square root of 12, that's 2 times 2 times 3, right? Pair of 2, so you can take a 2 out, so 2 times the square root of 3. You have the ability to sometimes transform what the radical is into a different radical. And if you transform a couple, let's say there's a square root of 27, right? Can't add those together right there, but 27 is 3 times 3 times 3. Pair of 3s gets to pull 3 out. So up here, not possible to add them together. Once you fix them, now they are the same. Now you can't add them together. So don't immediately say you can't do it. But right now you should expect them, if they aren't the same, they aren't the same, because this is what lesson 66 is about, I think. I might be off by a lesson or two, but it's in the very near future. They're going to be like this. We'll have to fix them first, then ask whether or not they can be added together.